Good morning. Good morning, my darling, amazing people. It's your one and holy mommy, Suzy Suzy. Successful grandma. How are How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great and doing fine. Oh, now, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes, so a very quick one. So, our elements. Now get this message. This message is directly to our enemies. Okay? Let me cross first. Good morning, my darling Monica. How you doing, my love? Hope you enjoy your Easter. Work begin again, but today I didn't go to work. I'm headed to very important personality officer. Yo. Ale. So my people, this message is to our enemies. Okay? Enemies. I mean, this message is for Una. And there is something they call education. Education and understanding matters a lot in life. I go here and say some people will say they go school, but their school, their education, you know, they don't get better wisdom. They don't get wisdom. Their education, I don't know as they go to their school. You understand? I believe if you are an educated person, you understand what they call rights. Your rights. You know your rights. Okay? If you are educated. Are you getting me? And before I start, before I proceed, I just got to beg Una. Okay? Nobody should use me to fight. You get me? Nobody. Now this live video now I go to talk and say, if Monica do something, Una go say, oh give the deni gwego. Una go say, oh have the deni oya pienya wowa. Una go say, have the deni oya tiani adwa. Mema wano ete bekenu waje. Because I not say 40 years in it, he said dede. But you are my dede. Maybe me messy me kweyo. Because I me when not me dede. Maybe look sessiphobia. We are not near me when I make makeup. Okay. I not say so what maybe have a say a dede we are. We are say 40 years in it. We are all a dede phobia. Are you getting me? So now I can't do like that. Okay, let me just take this way or this way. Let me take this way. So the reason why they do this video might be this one. I believe say if you say you are an educated person, you know what is called rights, or you understand, say understanding matters a lot. If something happens for social media, everybody talk to you. Me, I not get problem. Beside Facebook, me and the Yeki would they talk for back. If you don't know, no. I know they talk and they hide. Because I never can talk and what they say I'm my enemy. Talk less or say how they fear or shame. If I can talk and we they talk for back. You get one day we are doing one video one morning. The day we are send message go give Mama B. When I see her that day, if you call me for it, I can't say I'll call her back. Because I'm if I call her. I get what I want to tell her. Social media, whatever. You know, concern me. You understand? I talk my own, I come out. Say, I go come because of that one. Say, something with the apple for social media. I can't use that one to take this like I know that one. They not train me like that. When I hear me so. Di mega big beni yeki. winere egana na doti mebu ogwagwe aji go no better one support am like us and aji go no again that was 2022. You understand? Again me ya hawe am I where ikukuma be that monetize na ya fe ko wa wo me na me na aji go me I start on my grant. So why can't be say matter another person matter we no kukuma if concern us everybody talk you everybody hit us e na agbelegbe wa ba. You understand? I be making a job in winner no e ma ni nyezo yan settle e do ya peta we no man no nya very gbogbo o we no man yan ogun yan ya ho sabaki ma you okay winner. So why we can't make me dey put I just got a beg una. I don't know why I go carry my video if I do. I don't do any video give anybody who now they carry on they analyze because the social media why are here. Only say na me again anything no we cut to ware ya why analyze me analyze a video go because a video go interest me cause it threat bungbe a video na threat na bungbe e me ni yawo if you say I'm not so good in analyzing things so una video I know they carry if una go my platform I know to see video cause me rom onu ya eti to bo me la dia we nyeki alo ife ko na o ma me say don't analyze a video na hatred a video na go along he or say what's na ni agbina. Good morning, my darling. Your message, your I see the video where you do, my darling. Thank you so much. You understand? But my again reason life video na me you so but why I get lava mother especially one who gay they get here I met him a video okay. Now only person where you dey look now you go see their video. If you know the look person not they see their video. So the video what they do. I know they look and I make away I know they see many video. You understand? Me anybody not carry my video can't tell the fair to Ijeki. If I see I not go like him. He met in a row one do you see me years that me so we see me years on and I don't like it. So man no he so lele he marry eva obiye ezo kan akobie lele ya sota. He me go be Facebook. Again na me go bo. He mag be yeru so no motivate me. The me ya live video na betene na me go agbon no we see. Awa wo me no saba ya jime. O saba ba jime gbe wo je me special. Iyo man o mi va ya la lo. Good morning my darling, I'm doing fine. You understand? I go agbon no we see. Ni we problem ero e be gbe na ahwe. Ya be me ma be ya. I was not trained like that. I'm not training me very I'm a cocoa me very only. A cocoa me se very on hama me we. O de na la me gbon wa ji se ran pa gbafa. O ma no ma we me be na e ka go phone ahwe wa ye be hia ba wa ni wo da. Ama hama me be alo ma na ni fi o ma ni fo. Abe ka ma me gbo ma ga ma mo de na mo boy lo ma ni ye be kipe ya ye be me lo be do we. Are you getting me my people? So Wahala we appreciate any of una where they do video. But I'm not carrying my video. Take use indirect. Take give yeki. I don't like him. Good morning. How are you doing, my darling? I don't like him. I just got a begona. You man no me. Or see no mukogi no my le. No me also bono when he kegi yes. Someone go be different day. Oh, lady the my way by the same primary school. Say you're not today. Ema ya the mami agbako those years if Torino ti today. Ima ye communicate. Imam yo so money we if at any or see me else na do amiena any or see me or see any you won't say. You understand? People are really mentally you can say that again. Their trouble not get part one, not get part two. You just carry person. You want to involve for trouble. Why must you involve me for your trouble? I don't watch your video. The reason I don't watch you guys' video because you guys' video is full of hatred. If you working, so if you take me money because anybody but you understand? I just got a beguna. Okay? I remember where I am. I know they see Yeki saying a presenter. She if they see me say I be presenter, but me I know they say like that. I they say like my own sister. Because I know where Odena or Yekwela be dovi. Hello, then no bewa. I'm a cocoa me very only. Understand? Tell wa let why I put our make bon you say rak bagbava. Wa no wa make bu why you say rak bagbava with social media wa na e de life wa continue. Wa se me bagba ma koko me very honey. Iye gbo mo very honey. Iyo onwa no mi ba ya wa ye furu. I may be begging God man here wa social media. Ni may hu ade ya la webu na imagine 28 years be webu. E ba me ado agbeni gbene igo logo I do agbeni gbele go ma because I cause good morning my darling, good morning my darling Jennifer. I don't like it. Okay? Over the artist, Yaki, I will mean a Latin of live video. Or can you Yaki Walla Jababa? No way, Mama Suzy Suzy Larena the way saga. Yes, I. You understand? Yes, I. Okay? Imetiti e wowa. Dibeti o mana be kweni. I will just still allow you say no jebedi on because ege here. Roya epiton we ya na hem woman. Or was any na look boso but I nya. How will you go where we na or what wa look bona. So kun ori we nya wo mari nya ropa. Are you getting me, my people? Eria kokime. Ama kokime. I me blame me ya me gbime me si na me yena. So when you call on a day on a day on a please nobody. Or no see me fieti. Eti oga ba be ke no ri aje. I Maria we bodo gbeti I momo. Okay? I momo. I have a long way to go. I wa odi wa to be dagbo me. O ma ro pa me problem oge. Do wa me be kini to taye. Wa do a video wa. Wa gbinu wa de to wa gbono wa yoko. Meri yoko. I be gbina. The video I did, I just say my opinion. I want the okay, I saw okay, nya vote me no ko nya vaki. I winere o me, I ma hate I do an akbabare, and winere mamu, and winere anything. You get me? So, so we must see no reason, no ya have fete. Yaki not to tag. Waga we video, mana de buy, wa to ya see and what my to saga. Mama be te buy. Wabi mama be te bagi ma big benene go mata no wa ti abege be na go mata me ma bege be na go mata o ma da sa mi amopo we bi ona te be we mama be no no ma be wo no na se yige be ti o mata no do ma no we mo ma o gbo ma hin mi tare I meta be life jo no wa egu sike me ga we mi don o ma na tie be no gbe me yu kweri o gian mo ki because you got the trouble back web. Are you getting me, my people? So that is life. Again, and I had you ever see your body on my yes, your back. Nobody should drag me along. Okay? The man better move at anywhere. If you know, I'll go this side again. The man better move at that way. You know, a camp you what here, I belong to one camp. A camp in the JJ. You understand? Anytime you man on our video now when a man boy again. You have me video have a comment job. Anytime you have a video. Ima na we mebo ya ke ya we video ibe comment jo but a video wa can wa ya gbe na memi because e mega video wa a video na ge or reflecting on my way o ma be na we video gbe bi video we it reflect okay imagine o ge set here o ge o get a point me you do so wa no motivate me na live video be den na a gbom abono pe no wa ike so do we abi are Facebook ko pa kan abi kan abi mi bi mo be na abi wo be do be o be we mama o de be ma na okay, gbonge Facebook wa ki wona Facebook no we I can't do that to video na here be ye very on I not be like that not be because say I not like money because I not train like that I become my people 1 minute I'll call back. Are you getting me, my people? Please, let us respect ourselves and man our business. Make una man our business. Make a man my own. I don't need trouble. Okay? I don't need trouble. And nobody should look for my trouble. The way we did dinner with soon. Here was the total banner. Waqualaman, Wakia Dorobi, Wakia Robi, Warovisuwa, what to Swan Aqualaman, what to wear, I could walk companion, what to Arobio, Etimegua with Sagawo. Or you agreement, I always saga, but what love, why come any business wow, living man or woman, yes, women. I don't want nonsense for my life, okay? So I'm already in my office where they go. I don't already reach out my people. I want to go collect the hours, all the hours where I don't work. I want to use until I apply for my passport. So that is it. Stay blessed, my lovely people. Maybe I will see you guys later. One love, like I said. I never see Yeki as a presenter.